Invest, the word invest is like a financial word, but there's actually a much broader concept, as you know. If you ask me, define investment for a layman, what's top of mind for you? I would say it's something like taking a fair portion of what you can spend now, whether it's time, intellectual capacity, whatever it is, relationships, and pushing it into your future for a return there as well. So you're taking immediate joy away here, a portion, and you push it into your future in a format that will give you a better return somewhere down the line. We invest in relationships, so that's a thing as well. You take joy from your own life away and give it over to other people with the hope that one day that investment will pay off in good ways. We typically invest in the skill in our lives to become commercially more astute as we move down the road of living. We sometimes invest in a business. You guys, a good portion of you have invested in a business, whether it's time, money, worries, whatever it takes, with the hope that the return on that business will be good going into your future. The form of investment we want to talk about this morning is taking money off the table. Instead of consuming it now and enjoying it now, park a portion of your money in a way for future use, hopefully in a better way, and more of it that you could use now. That's the part of investment we want to talk about. It's a strange one, guys, but because normally it's like an obvious one. You can read a book about it and so on. But when I look back over my life, I've seen people who invested in themselves, they invested in relationships, they invested properly in their skill, in a business. But this one, looking after their own money well, so many of them got it wrong. It was such a paradox for me to discover that people, it's like 7A students, can mess up their own money affairs to this tune. While they're so smart, not evil, well educated, but when it comes to that part of their lives, they just lose it. And I don't know why. My best guess is I think we undereducate ourselves in the world of looking after our money. I really think it's that we overinvest in like making money and working hard and so on. We don't spare ourselves there. But when it comes to the result of that effort, what to do now, sure, we find a few mistakes.